In just 30 days, I made over $120,000 from dropshipping while putting barely any money into the business to start. I didn't spend a penny on Facebook ads. I didn't spend a penny on TikTok ads. I didn't spend a penny on inventory, and I never even saw or touched a product. And the best part is, all I needed to do this was a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection in under 2 hours per day. The way I did this was by partnering with name brand suppliers that customers are already familiar with and selling products where I can make over $1,000 profit per sale. This is how the business works. The customer comes to my website, they place the order through me. I then send the customer's information to my supplier, and the supplier ships the product to the customer without me ever needing to see or touch it. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find a winning product. I'll show you how you can find the best suppliers for that product. I'll show you how you can build a winning website in under a couple hours. And if you stick around to the end, I'll even show you the product that I did over $2 million in sales with. Now, you might think that finding a product that you can make thousands of dollars profit per sale with is nearly impossible. And I understand, I've been there. When I got started 2 years ago, I was literally banging my head against the wall for 2 months until I finally found a product that I could make sales with. And because of all that frustration, that is what led to me putting together my 2-key framework that you can use to identify a winning product on day one. Before we can apply the 2-key framework, we need to actually get a bunch of product ideas. And I have 2 main methods that you can do this. Number 1 is just using ChatGPT. You can just go to ChatGPT and say, provide me a list of high-ticket dropshipping products in the wellness space that cost over $5,000. So as you can see, ChatGPT is giving us a full list of products that we can sell for over $5,000. And the second way that I recommend you get ideas is actually very simple. Just when you're out living your day-to-day life, have a notes app on your phone of all your different ideas. Then whenever you see something, just write down products that you see that would cost over a few $1,000s to buy. Now we can apply the 2-key framework to determine whether they're actually winning products. Number 1 is price. We want the price to be over $2,000. And it's very, very easy to check this. All we have to do is we go to Google Shopping, we type buy the product type in online. So you can see I've typed buy sauna in online. Then we want to go over to price. We want to sort by products over $2,000. And what we're checking is on average, are these regularly sold for over $2,000, which we can clearly see they are. The second thing we need to check is product demand. And that means the amount of people per month searching for the product. We want this number to be over 30,000. So when I go on Ahrefs, I can see 95,000 people per month are searching for saunas. So this is well over 30,000. You know, obviously meets the criteria. And a bonus is you can even see that it's increasing over time. So more and more people are searching for these. When I was starting, I made $120,000 in the first 30 days. It was in the fall. And if you go to Google Trends, you can see when we look at this chart, the seasonality is during the fall. So it starts in the fall and it continues on through the winter during the colder months because saunas are hot. People want to have nice warm saunas to go in. So number 1, we want to have price. Number 2, we want to have demand. And number 3, as a bonus, is ideally they're going to be coming into season at the time you're selling them. So once we verified the 2-key framework, we have price, we have demand. The next thing we want to do is we want to find all the top suppliers of that product type. So the first way we can do this is we can just ask ChatGPT. And what we want to do is we want to create a spreadsheet of all the sauna suppliers we can find. Say, okay, tell me a complete list of all the sauna suppliers in the US in format I can enter in a spreadsheet. Number 2 is we want to find other sauna websites. And this is also going to be important. We want to go to Google Shopping again. We want to type in buy sauna online, but then we want to go down here and we want to find stores that have the word sauna in their name under the sellers section. So the ones that stick out to me are Sun Valley Saunas and My Sauna World. So we have Sun Valley Saunas and My Sauna World. So as ChatGPT finishes this research here, we want to put in all this into our spreadsheet here where we're going to have sauna suppliers, their websites, everything like this. And then what we want to do on these sauna websites is we want to copy and paste all those brand names and we want to put them in our spreadsheet. We want to do this for as many stores as we possibly can. Here's another example of My Sauna World. And there's going to be some overlap. So if you get the same ones more than once, you can just remove them. It's not a big deal. The next step after that was we want to find which of these sauna brands are people actually searching for. We can put them in one by one into Ahrefs, and we just want to see how many people are searching Almost Heaven Sauna. And we can see every month there's 500 people searching for Almost Heaven Saunas. And what we want to do is make another column here called demand, and we want to put 500, and we want to put in Sunlight and Sauna 7,400. So that's very, very good. So the reason we're checking this is because we want to sell people products that they're searching for. So not only are people searching for saunas, we want to sell them the exact brands that they're searching for as well. So you can actually do this in bulk. If you just want to take all of these, you can just plug them into Ahrefs like this, and it will tell you how many people are searching for each one. The next step is we want to build a website. What we do here is we go to Shopify, and they have these things called Shopify themes, which are fill in the blank templates, and you can build a beautiful beautiful website in under a couple hours. But here's a hack that I've never shared with you before. If you find a website in your niche that you really like the look of, so for example, if you really like the look of My Sauna World, what you can do is you can download this app called the Copy app on the Shopify App Store. It's a 1-day free trial, and it will actually let you mirror that store in seconds. And you can also go to one called Replo. Replo is a little bit different. It has all these websites as essentially inspiration themes. So you can build a beautiful website in literally seconds using Copy and using Replo. So once you have a beautiful website all set up, you have your full list of sauna brands, we now actually have to do outreach and become an online authorized retailer for these brands. I recommend using a tool like Canva and just type in pitch deck template. What we want to do is put together a pitch deck introducing ourselves, introducing what your brand is, your store name, and you can use ChatGPT to help you create the pitch deck, or you can just type in good examples of pitch decks online and then record yourself on a video just introducing yourself for like 3 to 5 minutes max. You want to keep it short. So once we have a pitch deck, we want to actually reach out to those brands and ask to become an online authorized retailer. And what we're saying is essentially, hey, we think you would be a good fit. Can we list your products on our website and make sales for you? And another hack that you can do is when you find these sauna brands like My Sauna World, you can take these stores, you can go to a tool like shophunter.io and you can put in their URL here. So if I go to Shop Hunter and I put add shop, you can put in My Sauna World and it will tell you, it's not exact, but approximately how many sales they're doing. So it says they're doing 258,000 in sales. So that means that they're doing 258,000 in sales in the last 30 days, that they have obviously brands that I want to have because they're having lots of success. Another thing we can do is we can use this tool called Shop Hunter. So for example, if I'm on My Sauna World and Therasana writes back to me, says, yes, we want to work with you, you can get this tool called Shopify Scraper. And what you would do is you can just put in the URL from My Sauna World right into here. You can essentially export all those products right onto your own store from the store that you already liked, and your website will already look very similar. And then once we actually have the products live on our store, guys, what we want to do is we want to use Google shopping ads to buy the product. We want to target people searching for the exact products we're selling. So that is why we checked branded demand earlier. So we can tell how many people are searching for exact brands per month. So when someone searches Therasana TS7754, a very specific model, we want to be the one that shows up here with the exact product that they're searching for. And guys, this is exactly what I did. At the time when I started this, I was a law student. I was over $150,000 in debt. And then I started this business with literally under $1,500. And in just my 4th month running this business, my very first sale was October 21st, 2021. For the month of December, I did $215,000 and I was already making more as a lawyer in my 3rd month doing this business with under $1,500 starting capital. That is exactly how the business model works, guys. If you took any value today at all, subscribe to my channel for more. And if you want to work directly with me and my team on building your first ever high ticket e-commerce store, you can make thousands of dollars profit per sale. I'll put the book a call link below. You can apply to work with us. We've already helped hundreds and hundreds of people make their first sale for over $1,000 online. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.